So, nandito kami ngayon sa subway. And lalagyan lang namin ng laman yung card ko, transfer card. Para makalis tayo. Okay. Yan, okay na? May laman na? Okay. Ayan. So, ayan guys. May laman na siyang 20 euro. Let's go! We're here at Central Station with Kuya Daniel and Alondra. So now we're gonna go to Laren. Okay, we're here and we're gonna go inside of the train. Hi guys, so we're here at Laren. It's Gloria's first home here in Netherlands.
Yes. Malakas maka-nature.
Lakas maka-nature, yes. That's
Unlike sa Amsterdam, ano talaga, city.
ito yung location, so malapit na tayo. I think
This is the house?
this is the house.
Kapoy ng assistant mo, B. Alam mo, ang assistant mo, oh. Gahin-gahin kang aura, pero
Okay, malapit na tayo.
pahiling mo rin sa vlog mo, ha?
Malapit na tayo. Ito na, ito na.
Kapoy ang assistant.
Ay, yeah, bakla.
Hi, I need 20 euro per hour, ha?
Ay, bakla. Okay, now I need to make some food. Julie, do you want the bolognese with this? What is pasta and this one?
Yeah.
Do you like it with sausage or something or no?
That's
Yeah. Worst. So you know, name.
we usually don't do it. Maybe it's.
No, we don't use it.
Oh.
So
Are you gonna make a video blog?
No, she's not. She just wants to see how, you know, like capturing the memories.
Oh, that's so cool.
Ayun na ning measurement. Pero
Pero
sa
sa
limo, yung tada ito man pangana ng mga akit. May araw ka ni. Ano ang talita natin siya? Ayun na kami pamanggihan. Ate Glory! Hi vlog! Budapest! Philippines! Limburg! Okay, picture na kamo. Oh, good! Try mo na yan. Thank you. Sauce. Thank you. The chocolate cake ready? So, itong Jones na po. Kakamo. Hindi ko na nag-rice. No. I don't like rice. Grabe. How long? Hindi ko na nag-rice. Really? I'm so hungry. I don't know. True. Sarang na.
Pero, ano ka, vegetarian ka din na?
Ayun, dati. Kaso nagdadalaga ako kay Pepong protein. Sabi ko ang doktor ko, magkanda ako ng protein. Banatan din ako. Try ko ang aking spaghetti. Masirap.
Na ano na kayo man tisok sa dago?
Banatan mo ni Gano. Sige. Go lang. Okay man, ang spaghetti.
Masarap na alasabon ka dago.
Oh, making a movie? Taste how good it is. They're like chocolate. Okay. Okay, we're gonna taste it.
Jordy, can I have that?
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, sure.
Is Is it good?
10 out of 10.
Oh, wow.
Yay! 10 out of 10. What do you give it? I give it.
We're just doing the vlogging thing. Yeah, this is Kuya Daniel. From Budapest.
From Budapest.
Yeah, just gonna eat.
So now you doing vlog?
Yeah,
Oh.
I'm gonna post it. You have to watch it, okay?
Oh yeah. So
Yeah.
I will be a part of your vlog.
Yes, finally.
Oh yeah. It was about time. How it works now? We just look the camera and
Yeah.
say anything that comes to your mind.
Yeah, yeah, it is. We just tell them what we're doing, you know. We're eating chocolate cake. Masarap. Masarap. Lekker. Yeah.
I'm trying to think what I can hear always from Gray. Batag.
Batag.
No,
Oh.
batag.
We have a lot of batag in the Philippines.
Oh. So you can only go this way if you hit someone's figure. Okay, so let's say I have one here. Okay, so you want to kick mine out, then
Okay.
you can, but you cannot kick. So if it would be like this, you are stuck. You cannot go anywhere now.
Okay, for example, this one is here.
Yeah,
and
then you can just swap it, and
Like
then
that?
I lost one.
Okay. Okay. And then how about this one?
So this one is the horse.
Okay.
So with the horse you can move in an L shape, like the letter L. So you can go like this. Okay, so 3 straight and then 1 left or right. So you can go this, or you can also go this. So in any direction, but like in an L shape.
This is my first time to play chess. You know. You look so pretty. Yeah, so pretty. I hope I have a daughter like you.
You should
I
find
will.
first.
I'm
You should
gonna
find first boyfriend.
Dutch or Hungarian.
It's down.
Yeah.
But then you don't move here.
Yeah.
You just
Sorry.
move to
Yeah,
instead of
I forgot about it because that's how I play in Philippines. Okay.
yeah, then yeah, it's maybe a different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm confused.
Oh, actually, we have a very good game. That we usually play in Budapest. It's called the Avalon.
Avalon.
Oh, at one day we should try that. It's fun.
Wait, what is it?
It's hard to explain, but it's fun.
Board
it's fun.
games. Board games.
Yeah, but it's not like this. It's so actually there is no board.
Ah.
It's really fun.
Oh, if we go there,
Yeah,
we're
yeah.
gonna try it.
But you need 5 person for that. At least.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No. No, okay. Focus. Then you can leave.
So 4-4, but you got my queen.
Ha 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 ha.
Yeah. Guys, you want some?
Oh yeah.
Oh, thank
Thank
you.
you.
Oh yeah. No, I can move, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Get this. Okay, this one. Get, no. Yeah.
Wait, what did you do?
This one?
Why you need to go back? I'm blocking your king.
I have to move my king. Yeah.
Yeah.
But here, nothing will happen, you know? Go back and go back.
Yeah.
So you won!
And then
You won. Oh, who's next?
Who
Bravo.
won? Ah.
Kuya
the king.
Daniel.
The
Yeah.
king.
Of course he's gonna win. Okay. Thank you so much. Who's gonna...
thank you.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Hello! Look who's here!